everyone. So today I have been busy kind of like planning what I'm going to send to my mom for Mother's Day. As you guys know, my mom lives in Portugal, where I come from, but I am far away in Norway, and every year I try to send like a little thing on Mother's Day, you know, just to make her feel a little bit happier. I don't know. Last year I sent her a really big flower arrangement. This year I decided to do things a little bit different. As I'm sure you guys already know, I really love this brand called Luisa from New York. I always like wear their earrings all the time. And my mom also really loves the brand, although she doesn't have anything from the brand. And so I decided I was going to order some earrings that she likes. I just sent her the link like to the website and said, Mom, just choose 3 of your favorite earrings and I'll pick one and send it to you. And she chose the 3 and I ordered the 3. It was really interesting to see what my mom chose. And they're actually, I really like them too, so I could totally wear them. My plan is also to send other things. I want to make a book divider with a kind of like transparent glue, but I will show you guys. I'm going to make it this weekend so I could send everything together. And I also bought a couple of like mini bath bombs to send in a package as well, because my mom, like me, is very obsessed with taking baths. So I'm going to show you all of these things and how I make the book divider. So here are the earrings. My mom chose one of them. They are these ones, which are so pretty. They're like fat hoops. Then she also chose these ones, which are kind of like a little tiny knot. And finally, these are the third ones. They have a really cool name. They are called Lisbon. I'm even very tempted to keep these fat hoops because they are just so pretty. Well, this brand Ana Luisa is such a great like gift idea and affordable. They also have a environmental mission in the brand, so it's just like really nice, and I can't seem to get enough of them. For Mother's Day, they're having a 15% discount promotion on the website starting on the 12th of April. So if you want to check out these earrings, I'm going to write the name and the link to these earrings, also to the website if you want to check out other type of jewelry they have. And let me know which one of these is your favorite, or which one of these would you gift to your mom. Today I'm going to be making something else to send to my mom for Mother's Day. My mom is an avid reader, so I bought something called epoxy or hard glue, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to use that to make some book dividers. So as you can see here, I already have all I need to start. These are for cup bases. I'm not sure if I'll have enough epoxy to do these ones, but if I have, I'll also make these ones. But these are the molds for the book dividers. They are kind of like rubber molds. And I'm going to mix these two together and then fill the molds with the transparent liquid, which is epoxy, and will become kind of like glass at the end. And then in the middle of the liquid, I'm going to put some of these dried flowers. I also bought some acrylic paint that is like golden textured, and the plan is to paint the edges when it's dry around the thing. Yeah, you get what I mean. So I'm going to be making this now. The epoxy have dried. As you can see, I took this one from the mold already. I actually took these 3. I think they look really good. This is my favorite one so far. And the book dividers are also done. I've taken this out. I need to do the same for the other ones. With one hand it's not easy, but I'm quite happy with the result. I will now use the paint, the golden paint, to paint around. And then I have to put a string, because you see there's a little hole in there. Good morning. Today it's Sunday and I was here just preparing to send the package to my mom. Like, I have everything ready. Yesterday we went visiting some friends, and on our way back home with the bicycles, my bicycle lost the brakes. So the brakes stopped working while we were on a street going down like the street with a lot of inclination. So I was going pretty fast and I couldn't brake. It was a bit scary, and I decided that it was just safer to throw myself into the sidewalk really fast because I couldn't stop, than just going into the cross with all the cars. So I ended up in the ground. Everything is fine. I didn't break anything, thank God. But I have both my legs. One of my legs is very bruised and swollen, and the other one is in blood, let's say. So not fun experience. So I have been in my pajamas today at home, just relaxing. So here are the little packages with the earrings from Luisa. Again, I have a discount code. I will leave that in the description box if you guys want to check it out and have 15% discount. And then these are the book dividers that I made. They are already dried, and I have painted the sides with gold paint, and I have also made a little braided string at the top. I think they look really cute, all of them. So these two to my mom address with the earrings, and then I also have these two little mini bath bombs. So I'm going to put this on a little parcel and send to my mom. Oh yeah, something else I was also planning to send to my mom is a card just wishing a happy Mother's Day and explaining a bit the surprise and all the things that I'm sending. But I don't know if you guys know this, but right now in Oslo, everything is closed. So the stores are closed, and where would I buy a card, right? And the supermarket ones are not that nice. So I remembered that I had this little box that came with my phone cover, because I ordered a new phone cover from Riffle Paper Co., which is a really nice graphic designer that I follow on Instagram, and she makes such nice things. And so it came in this, and I thought the pattern was so pretty that I think I'm going just to cut out a square out of this, and the interior is pink, and I'm just going to use the back, the pink side, just to write a little message and use it as a card. Ta-da! You see, with a bit of imagination, you can do anything. O que achas que é?
Eu já tive a palpar. Como está lindo!
Está lindo!
Faz tempo que eu não estou contigo.
Sim.
Oh.
Foi isso que tu gostaste.
Uau, isso é assim, olha.
São bué de giros.
Ai, estas são as repelinhas.
Esses são os Lisboa. Hello everyone, it's the weekend of Daniel's birthday, so I will have to talk not so loud so he can't hear me. He's right now taking a shower. Because I made a surprise game. We are having some friends today at dinner and tomorrow at lunch when it's actually his birthday. And for today, for this dinner, I made a surprise game, which is a quiz. And all the themes of the quiz are only things that are like themes that Daniel are really interested in. So I think that's going to be fun. We're going to play in teams. For dinner and for lunch, I'm going to make food that Daniel asked. So his favorite food, I guess, or things that he wanted to eat now. So I have a lot to cook. I'm also going to prepare a cake for tomorrow. I bought some candles, he doesn't know. And I put some balloons in the living room. Let's go. Let's do this. Sorry for the mess, but we're trying to sell some things on Finn. But this is for the game. So you see up there is the themes. Last one, for example, is architecture. And then it has the letters or numbers or symbols. And you choose one. And each letter or each number or whatever, it's a question. And so the team that has more squares done at the end is the winner. Closing the window, and I closed the window with my finger outside, so I had like a massive cut in my finger. So everything you want when you have a party to prepare, but I can't even stretch it. It looks so stupid. It was quite big. Daniel said we should go to the hospital, but I think it will be okay. It's going to be a fruit tart. I wanted something that it wasn't, well, I wanted something relatively healthy in a way. This is how it's looking right now before going to the oven. So it has pear and grapes and lemon inside, and then it has this tart base where you like kind of like wrap. And dinner, it's already made. It's there and there, and it's bacalhau with broccoli puree and potato. So it's kind of like I would say it's like a shepherd's pie, but with fish and potato. Well, and then on top it's a little crumble of bread and olives. This is amazing. We tried this once and it was amazing. Both of these recipes are from B&B, the machine, the KitchenAid machine I have here in the kitchen. So if you guys have a B&B or a Thermomix, they are the same thing. I can leave the links to these recipes in the description box, just in case you want to make them. If you didn't see my other videos, this is a Thermomix, just so you know. By the way, look what I've started this year again. My potato plantation.
Gratulere